Ambientair have an impressive 9 years experience in sourcing the best in air conditioning and heating products from all over the world, resulting in a wide range of efficient products and services to suit every space. Ambientair air conditioning units create a perfect ambient environment in any room where you need to feel comfortable enough to relax or comfortable enough to work. Ambientair also have a vast range of heating systems perfect for both domestic and commercial use. Ambientair excel in the installation and maintenance of air conditioning systems, including the addition of heat pumps where required. Their designs have won them several awards through the years, with systems always reliable, quiet and stylish. If you have questions about Ambientair products, please contact Aircon 24/7 with the details provided.